Hello, beautiful friends watching the YouTubes. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So glad to have you here. I'm Carrie Blaze. This is my Good Time Snowy train, and it is pulling out of the station. So I just went for a little walk up the road to get the mail. I thought I'd take you guys with me. This is our first big snow of the season. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's wet. It's sticky. I think we're supposed to get about 15 inches. So just walking down the street a little bit here, show you how pretty it is. I hope everybody's doing awesome. Thanks for joining me today. Friends, well, it's the next day. We had a wicked fucking storm, and we've been without power for more than 12 hours now. Central Maine Power is working on it. There were high winds. You know, you can't risk guys and girls going up in buckets, you know, but it's a beautiful day here, and Higgins just bundled up and wanted to take a nap. So I'm like, all right, I'll go for a drive, take Fran with me, wait for the power to come back on. Might have a little car bang here, and it's beautiful. I'm so happy that there's snow. It's worth the power outages, guys, and I'm on the list to get a hardwired generator, full send, that will click on and provide power for the whole house. We're in a spotty area for power outages. That's just the way it is in rural Maine, and it's totally worth it for me. It really is. It keeps you on your toes, makes me feel alive. Let's go for a drive and get some nosh. Well, here we are, y'all, again with the car bang. It's my same old Big Mac meal thing. Sorry, I'm a little boring with my car bangs, but I like what I like. I hope the power is back on when I get home. I threw the mask on, ran into Cabela's, bought some socks and some long underwear, ran out, and yeah, I'm starving. I haven't really eaten since supper last night, probably, and didn't sleep that great because there was no power. Didn't really get too cold or anything. It was just weird. Oh my goodness, it's the Mickey D's, y'all. I always get so excited. Anyway, not much to chit chat today. This might be a little bit of a quick one, with the snow and the shoving of the Mickey D's down my gullet. I'm a little flushed too. Jesus, I look like I've been dragged through a goat's ass, y'all. I apologize. I'm a little overheated, I think, from running around the Cabela's. I'm like, tell me where the long underwear is. I don't want to be in here any longer than I have to. Of course, we have a Nuglet. I'm gonna be able to eat all of these, but they have that dollar deal thing going on. And Riri's mukbang turned me on to that hot mustard. I really like it now. I like it better than honey mustard, which used to be my favorite. We always start with the Nuglet. And I just went through the drive-thru and busted all this open, so it's really hot. All right. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm always so ready for the Big Mac. Ooh, this looks like a good one too. There it is in all its glory. Let's put it down the gullet. See, I think the key is showing up at McDonald's like right when they switch over to lunch, or maybe in no longer than an hour after that. Because you get like really warm, nice, fresh Big Mac. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna roll down the window. Whew. I didn't ask for extra mac sauce, but this is a juicy one. Snow plows are out. Everybody's starting to get their winter on. Excuse me. I'm telling you what, I do not miss those really, really hot consecutive days in LA. I hated it. Like, stiflingly, is that a stiflingly? I was stifled. Way too hot, way too many days in a row. And it was expensive with that central air cranking all the time. And they would have rolling blackouts. So 6-1 between, you know, LA and Maine with weather and power. I'm shoving this down my face hole like too fast. I need to calm down. Sorry for the noise, y'all. There's not much I can do about the snow plows. I wanted to say, I'm so glad y'all like the Q&A. It's a lot of fun. A lot of you express you do want to hear the whole Higgins romance saga. And not in this video, but maybe on the next one. We'll get to it. I'll get to it. Oh my God, this is hitting the spot. Yeah, y'all, I'm haggard today. Look, I have a little, this has been going on the last couple videos. I broke out a little bit. Ooh, wind's picking up. Oh. It's one of the messiest Big Macs I've ever had. It's delicious. Yeah, I feel a little better now that I got some bites in me. I was running on empty. Yeah, y'all, not much to report other than we're dealing with major power outages and my first big winter storm. Oh my God. I'm like a crazy woman shoving all this in my face. I'm trying to see what these other businesses around here are. Infinity. Oh, it's a federal credit union. Scarborough Dance Center. Scarborough Car Wash. It's pretty quiet for a Sunday in December. Oh God. I ate this way too fast. I'm slowing down already. I'm gonna bring the rest of these nuggets back to Higgles and see if he wants to eat them. And I'm gonna head back home and see if there's power. I should anyway, because if his phone is dead, the car right now is the only means of charging anything. Excuse me. I'm just feeling myself today a little bit. Not that I'm usually not a hot mess and a total spaz, but you know, it is what it is. I got this new face mask I really like. I've been using the like the little blue medical ones the whole time, but this one is really thick and it keeps your face warm. And there's a little like pinchy thing here to go your nose. And it fits my face really well. I like it. And I don't know, I like that it's plain. I don't want a whole bunch of designer crap on my thing. I'm not going to be able to finish this. Usually I can only do like the 4 nuggets or whatever it is. Just save those for the Higgles. Friend, you want a French fry? You have to say hi to the nice peoples anyway. There she is. I have to use safety pins on her little down jacket because the Velcro won't stay shut. Here, have a French fry. You got it? All right, well, that was quick and dirty. Hope you all enjoyed it. Until next time, you know what to do. You keep slaying your dreams in what's left of this trash heap in 2020. You stay safe, and you stay healthy, be kind, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.